Hello, I'm Deepak Sir. I'm leading the team Binary Souls and this video is recording the working prototype of a project submission towards Smart City Hackathon. Before starting up, I would like to mention that Smart City is not only about developing next-gen AI for traffic automation of things. It's about getting quality food to eat. Robots and missions don't need food to survive, but humans do. So our team Binary Souls made a machine learning model to predict the right crop based on given soil parameters. So I'm going to start the web server to run the AI model. So I'm going to paste in Google Chrome. Actually, this is my portfolio website, but I'm going to move forward for crop prediction model. So this is a crop prediction ML model. So this is a problem statement and this is our solution for the problem statement, and this technical stack description details the technologies that we use in this project. So this is my ML model. So I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to enter my secondary email address. I'm going to enter the ratio of nitrogen content in soil as 90, phosphorus as 42, and potassium as 43, temperature as 22, and humidity as 75, pH value as 5.5, and rainfall as 220 mm. So I'm going to click the send message. So it will send all these parameters into background flash server, and the saved model in the flash server like predicts the right crop and these page reloads. Okay, this is a crop name rice. For the input details that we given, I mean the user given, here are my team members, and here is our mentor Origanti Venkataramanamurthy sir. So the name and the email ID, like they will receive a copy of prediction. So here is the user email ID. He will receive the parameters and the predicted crop name, and I will receive the details entered by user and the crop name suggested for him. So this is a GitHub repo. So this is analysis and visualization of our ML model. I will provide the link in the PPT so everyone can check out the analysis and visualization of these all details. So this is the correlation between different features. The model accuracy is 0.9894, and this is the confusion matrix. And yeah, we just predicted these details as rice. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. We should not only focus on developing next gen AI for traffic or self driven or automated vehicles, things like that. We should also focus on food, the food for our future. So, thanks again for listening to me. Signing off, Deepak Sapinjala.